Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Ragil Anindya Sudarsono with NPM 23311-010 PM. Class TK 22B from Group C Grapes. Here I will explain material about grape.
Well, let's start the graph explanation. What we will discuss here is 1. Graph history, 2. Graph definition, 3. Types of graphs, and the last is example of graph application. How is the history of the graph? The history of the graph is graph theory was born in 1736 through a paper written by Leonhard Euler, a Swiss mathematician. Euler was the first person to successfully solve the problem of the Königsberg break. The city of Königsberg is of Prussia, Germany today, on the Pregel River, which is very famous in Europe. Königsberg break. Graph theory began with the famous transportation problem, namely the Königsberg break. An illustration of the break can be seen in the image below. A graph representation the Königsberg break, where vertical represents land and edge represent breadth. Next, what is the definition of a graph? Graph definition. A graph G is definition as a pair of set V A written with the notation G V A, in which case V is a non-empty set of vertices or nodes and E is a set of edges or arcs that connect a pair of vertices. V cannot be empty while A can be empty, so it is possible for a graph not to have a single edge, but there must be at least one vertex. A graph that has one vertex without any edge is called a trivial graph. Vertex in a graph can be numbered with letters, natural number, or a combination of both. Meanwhile, the side connecting vertex U with vertex V is represented by the symbol A, V, V. G1 is a simple graph, G2 is a dual graph, G3 is a pseudo graph. G1, V, 1, 2, 3, 4. E is edgy 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4. G2 is a dual graph. V 1, 2, 3, 4. E 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. As E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. G3 is a pseudo graph. V 1, 2, 3, 4. E A 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 3. In G2, edge A3, 1, 3, and edge A4, 1, 3 are called multiple edge or parallel edge because these two edges contact the same two vertices, namely node 1 and node 3. In G3, edge A8, 3, 3 is called a bracket or loop because it starts and ends in the same node. What are the types of graph? Based on the presence or absence of ring or double side in a graph. Simple graph. A graph that does not contain rings or double edges. G1 is an example of a simple graph. Unsimple graph. Graph containing double edge or loops. G2 and G3 is example of a unsimple graph. Next, the type of graph is based on the orientation of the direction on the side. First, undirected graph. The graph whose edges have no directed orientation. These three graphs are example of undirected graph. Next, directed graph or D-graph. A graph in which each edge is given a direction orientation. These two graphs are example of directed graph. This table summarizes the extension of the graph definition. What is an example from the graph? First, graph represent an electrical circuit. Kirchhoff used graph to model electrical circuit. Based on this graph, Kirchhoff derived the equation for the incoming and outgoing flow at each node. From the system of simultaneous linear equation obtained, the electric current flowing in each component can be calculated. Next, isomer of carbon chemical compound. Arthur Cayley used graph to model alkane molecule to calculate the number of isomer, carbon atom, C, and hydrogen atom, H, are expressed as knot, while the bond between C and H atoms are expressed as Hg. Isomers are chemical compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. Graph shape. Okay, that's all my explanation of the graph material. More or less, I apologize. Thank you.